Hey, have you ever thought about whether money can really buy happiness?
Yeah, I've heard that debate before. I think money can definitely make life easier and more comfortable, which can lead to happiness.
But does it actually buy happiness? I mean, there are plenty of wealthy people who are still miserable.
That's true, but maybe they're not spending their money in the right way. I believe if you use your money wisely, it can contribute to your overall happiness.
I see your point, but I still think true happiness comes from within, not from external things like money.
Fair enough. I suppose it's all about perspective and personal values. Some people might find happiness in material possessions, while others find it in experiences or relationships.
Exactly. And besides, there are plenty of things in life that money can't buy, like love, friendship, or good health.
That's true. Money can't solve all of life's problems, but it can certainly provide opportunities and security that can contribute to happiness.
I guess it's all about finding a balance and not relying solely on money for happiness.
Agreed. Happiness is a complex and multifaceted thing, and it's different for everyone. Ultimately, it's up to each individual to find what truly brings them joy and fulfillment.
Definitely. Thanks for the insightful conversation.
Anytime. It's always interesting to discuss these philosophical topics.
Well, where are you going here? Are you going to bring some item for household?
Not really. I am going to the sports shop who keep all the sports-related items.
Oh, wow. What are you going to buy? Any sports item?
I am going to buy 6 packs of Costco ball for playing cricket. Do you also want to play cricket?
Yes, sure. When do you all play?
We play on Sunday. Let's meet on Sunday. I'll call you. Bye for now.
Okay, sure. I am ready to play. We'll meet on Sunday. Bye.